In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily delete your Gmail account from mobile. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. So let's begin, and first off, open up any web browser and then go to google.com. First off, you need to sign in your Google account using your email address and password, and once you did that, hit right here at your profile picture, then tap at Manage your Google account. You will be taken to this page where you should tap at Data and Privacy, and then just scroll all the way down until you find Delete your Google account feature. You can just tap on it. It may ask you to enter your current password to verify it's you, and once you did that, just hit on Next, and you will be taken to this page where you should scroll down to the very bottom, then check mark both of that options, and then you will be able to permanently delete your Gmail account by hitting a Delete Account button. Now you can write down in the comments below if you have any questions about the tutorial, hit the like button if you liked that video, and see you in the next one.